Okay, so same probability idea to prep us for our casino party in a couple weeks. But we're going to do it with a deck of cards now instead of dice. Okay, so just to review, because I know not all of you guys play cards a ton. So in any deck of cards, there's always 4 suits. 2 are black, 2 are red. Okay, if it says a face card, it's talking about the jack, king, and queen of each suit. There's always 1 to king, so there's 13 cards in each suit. So how many cards total does that make a deck of cards? 52. 52, good. So that's going to be our total we're going to use for our probability fractions here. Okay. Any questions? We're good? Let's get up my book. It's falling asleep. Okay. So let's look at the first one there. Okay. Probability of red. Okay, so how many cards are red? Half of them. So you already know the percent. Not all of them are going to be as easy to see the percent. So I want to come up with the fraction too. Okay, so how many are favorable outcomes if I'm looking for red cards? 26. Good. 26 out of that total 52. Okay, what about hearts? How many hearts are there? 13 out of how many cards? Good. Okay, I want you to try that next one with your neighbors. Not clubs. Okay, so careful, not clubs. Yeah, Regina? Okay. So they look like clovers. Clubs, spades, hearts, diamonds. So remember, the little apostrophe means not clubs. So how many cards were not clubs? Good. So 39 over 52, or 75%. How are we doing? Okay so far? Anyone get that one? Yeah? Good. Okay, probability of a 2. How many favorable outcomes are there if we're looking for the probability of a 2? How many favorable outcomes? I want the probability of a 2. 4. Good. Because there's 1 of each suit. So 4 over my total again. Good. Okay, so be careful on this one because you have to see where the apostrophe is. So the not is applying to both. So what we're going to want to do is find how many face or even cards there are, but then we want everything that's not that.
Does that face count as a face card?
No. Mm-mm. Okay, so how many face cards are there total? 12. Then how many even cards are there?
26.
You don't count the face card twice.
20.
So 20. Mm-hmm. So then if there's 20 even cards and 12 face cards, right? That's 32 cards, right? But we want everything that's not that. So how many cards are we talking about if we don't want those 32 we just counted? Yeah, there you go. 20 out of 52. Okay, we'll do one more together and then I'll have you try the last two and I'll walk around. King or ace? One or the other, right? This is an or symbol. So king or ace, not both at the same time, just one or the other. How many work? Yeah. How many? Good guess. Nope. 8. So there's 4 king and 4 ace. Does that make sense? So it would be 8 over the 52.
So what does it mean by or? Because you said it's like one or the other, but then
Yeah, so you could eat any of the aces work or any of the kings work.
oh.
Okay. Take a second and try those last two. I'll leave the cards up so you don't have to flip back and forth. And then we'll